Beautiful morning out here. Just gonna go and feed the guinea fowl. Got some of these. These things are weird birds, but pretty funny. Watch this. Wait up. Look at them go. So these ones, they currently live outside of the pen. Had them in the coop. They just roost in the trees around, and then just free range wherever they are. So they're really cool. They lay eggs. Haven't eaten one of the eggs yet. I will, but just not yet. But yeah, got a couple males, couple females, and yeah, they just kind of cruise around. They're cool. Look at them. Yeah, so we got seven guinea fowl. Don't know if I'll get any more, but for now, 7's pretty good. Got some chickens. Chickens in here, they're laying eggs, they're delicious. So get them some food. Chickens get the pellets, half a bucket in the morning, just spread around, and then they get these pellets in their feeder. That's just constantly full. Keep them going. Oh, the guinea fowl can hear food. Sorry guys, this stuff's not for you. They like the grass too, so get them some grass. Morning, there was none there. Now there's 3. I bet they're warm. 3 eggs. Yeah, so put rock all around. Bowerbirds were getting in, eating all the feed. Went from like one of those feeders full every 3 days to one every day. So yeah, just put rock all around, stops the goannas, stops the bowerbirds and stuff, and yeah, that's seems to have fixed that, which is good. So been pretty busy getting some wood. Built a little wood shed out here, so just storing that for winter. That's when you let it sit for a while to get it all seasoned. But you can see the grains there. The biggest drama is keeping the grass down. Need some goats or something. But first need fencing before I can get goats. Goats would be cool. I love goats. So back over this way, started doing some clearing. This was all just wattle and undergrowth. It was killing everything, not letting anything grow. So pretty much just cleared, and now the grass is starting to grow back, and yeah, it's given a bit of space for everything else. Which, yeah, so the idea is just to keep going across, clearing all this little stuff for all the other plants, but obviously leave all the native bigger trees because I kind of like them. They give shade, and as long as all the undergrowth is gone, then it's less of a kind of fire hazard. Walk you up here, show you where I've been storing all the building materials and stuff that I've found, and came across an old Hilux. I don't know how good it is, but or if it'll go, but it could be a fun little project. Another camper trailer in here. Don't even know if you could clean that up. Can you even see that? Anyway, this place has got full of treasures. Ugh. Ooh, this one's maybe not so good, but who knows? Might be something worth it in there. Might be able to clean it up. Anyway, so here's the old Hilux. Would love to get this going. Found this stored back here. I mean, it's been abandoned. It's pretty beat, but that'd be a good farm truck. Have a look underneath. Oh, let's see. I reckon it would still go. You just need to do a bit of work on it. But that's an epic find out here. See if I can pop the bonnet. Have a look. All right. Hold up.